today we're gonna show you how to make ice cream. So the ingredients, so one of them is condensed milk, whipping cream, and then mango right here. If you're new to this channel, drop a comment and like and subscribe.
Hi guys, I'm back. Alaga ako yun eh. Sasalita lang siya. Okay, so we have to start now kung paano natin i-ano yung whipping cream. Okay, let's say later pag matapos ko na siya, pag medyo hindi na siya, kasi watery pa siya, oh. So watery. So wait for a while. Okay, start na natin. Mga ilang minutes pa ito eh. So hintayin natin kung hindi na siya maging watery. Yan, mix ko na yung condensed milk. Mix lang para maganda yung texture. I-blend na natin ang ating mango para ihalo natin sa ice cream. Ito ang ating flavor. Continue to use the mixer. At pagkatapos nito guys, hintayin natin siya ng 7 hours to 8 hours. So, bukas na ito. Hi guys, ito na yung ating ice cream. Ilagay ko na siya sa box. So, hintayin natin siya bukas. Bukas mga 8 hours. So, let's check until tomorrow morning or afternoon. So, I'm going to show you our finished product maybe afternoon. So, I will show you and continue watching guys. Don't skip. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This is Leonora at your service. Bye. Hi guys, I'm here again. In case if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Here I'm going to show you as I promised. Pag matapos ko ay yung aking ginawang ice cream. Ito yung ice cream na ginawa ko kahapon. Saglit, mag-ano tayo. Mga 10 hours na ito kasi kahapon ko pa ito ginawa. So, kuha tayo ng isang dito na lang tayo. Yan. Makakita ba? Yan siya. Malambot. Malambot na malambot. Yan. Ito yung ating ice cream. Ating ice cream is mango flavor. Lagyan na dito. Tikman natin ang ating ice cream. Favorite ito ni Alaga eh. This is her favorite. Mango. Yan. Ayan na. Tingnan nyo. Yan siya. Wala lang kasi akong yung parang nagtawag niya, yung pang scoop. So, kutsara na lang. Yan. Hindi lang ako magpapakita ngayon kasi kaliligo ko lang eh. Yung buhok ko, buhok hag. Kain tayo. Ayan na. Ang lamig, gusto, ang init ng panahon. Tamang-tama to. So guys, don't forget to click the bell for notification for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!